Just mentioned, we are expecting some strong winds the next few days.
Yeah, and the Forest Service says it's already on the lookout for potential wildfires. Reporter Alyssa Munoz joins us to continue our team weather coverage. Alyssa.
Well, officials tell me they've already seen an uptick in fires this year, and one area they're really looking at that has high fire potential is the eastern part of the state. Now, the Forest Service says it's because of the warm weather and smaller snowpack. Now, this wind is an extra risk to areas with fine fuels or grassy areas. Now, they've also seen several large fires this month. Now, if you're burning, clear a 10-foot space around your workspace. Call officials to make sure it's okay to burn and have water nearby. Officials also say it's common for people in agriculture to clear brush or old growth this time of year before the new growing season, but that can be risky.
9 out of 10 fires are human caused. These aren't lightning fires that are happening over in eastern New Mexico. So ag and debris burning is the highest, or the ag and debris burning is the top fire start in New Mexico.
Now, as we see the winds increase, it's important to take precautions and to also be mindful of red flag warning days. Reporting live, I'm Alyssa Munoz, KVT Action 7 News.